Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing my spring cleaning routine. I'll be using a lot of products from Mrs. Meyer's that I got from Grove Collaborative, but no, this video is not sponsored. I just really love the products. If you spend $20 on the Grove site, you'll get these 3 products for free, plus a really cute pink apron. So I'm going to link Grove down below, and let's get into my cleaning routine. Okay, let's start with my living room. The first thing I do is pick up all the dishes from the night before and bring them to the sink. We usually leave quite a mess at night, but I love cleaning right when I wake up. I also love to listen to country music while I clean just because it relaxes me, and my favorite song right now is called Meant to Be. I'd love to know your favorite song. If you like country, definitely let me know down below in the comments. But I like to tidy up the couch, and I'll put my laptop away, the coasters, and fold the blankets. This fluffy blanket I got from JCPenney for like $10 and I love it. I also like to put a lot of clothes and junk on this seat, so I'm just picking up everything and hanging up my coats. I'll then use my Mrs. Meyer's multi-surface spray and peony to clean the coffee table. They have a couple of different limited edition scents from Mrs. Meyer's, including peony and lilac for the springtime, which I have been loving. I actually have a lot of Mrs. Meyer's sprays, but I think the lilac one is definitely my favorite. Moving on to the other side of my living room, I have a pile here of things I'm selling on POSHMARK, so I'm just separating a few things and putting what I sold on top of the chair. I will put my POSHMARK down below if you guys are interested in shopping my closet. I recently put up a few new things. And then this corner over here are random products I need to film with, so I have a pile of Fashion Nova clothes, and then I have PR packages that I got in the mail as well. But then I pick up my shoe area, so I just organize, and I have a lint roller over there and my tissues, and then I will organize my shoe rack as well. Next, I'm going to use this baking soda to sprinkle my rug. I didn't even know this was a thing, but apparently it's supposed to make your carpet smell better, and it's pretty fun to do too. And then I'm going to vacuum my living room. My vacuum sucks, so don't make fun of it. It's the cheapest thing ever, and probably doesn't even pick up any dirt. So if you have any recommendations for a good vacuum that is not more money than a Natasha Denona palette, then please let me know in the comments down below. Let's move on to cleaning my makeup table. So every morning my makeup table looks like this or worse. I'm a very messy person when it comes to doing my makeup, so I'll kind of put everything everywhere. But I'll put my makeup brushes away and all the little products back where they belong. And then I'll also use my Sephora bag as a trash. And then I'll take my Method Anti-Bac spray in Wildflower that I also got from Grove and just clean the surface because it gets dirty so fast. So I'll just clean everything down and I'll move things around just so I can get underneath the products. And I got these lip gloss holders from the Container Store for those of you wondering. I love burning a candle when I clean. As you guys know, I have like 70 candles. I don't like burning too strong of scents in my apartment because it's small and I have a baby puff whose nose might be a little bit sensitive. So I'll usually open the door when I'm burning a strong candle. Let's move on to the danger zone. So the kitchen is always like this. Somehow it gets like this overnight. I always get a cute note in the morning from Scott, which is so sweet. But yeah, if you take a look at my kitchen, it is kind of a disaster. It's just a lot of clutter, so we're gonna clean this up right now. So for the kitchen, I'll start by putting everything away where it belongs. The peanut butter is always out because Scott and I live off of peanut butter on whole wheat bread and oats. So I'll put everything away, and then I'll also put the spices away because those are always out. Scott uses like 8 spices with every meal, and I hate spices. It's weird. So I'll also find an empty wine bottle, sadly, and I'll throw that out, and I'll try to clean off as much clutter on the counters, and then I will spray it down with my spray again, making sure I get all the crumbs off too. We usually keep a trash bag on the end of the cabinet, just making it easier to put all the trash in there. Moving on to the other side of the kitchen, the dishes really pile up and there's only 2 of us, so it's pretty crazy how many dishes we have in one day. So I'm just rinsing the dishes and then putting them in the dishwasher. For the dishwasher, we use Finish Advanced Gel in the lemon scent, but let me know if you have a favorite dishwashing detergent down below because I'd love to know. And then after that, I'll just wipe down the countertops once again with the Mrs. Meyer spray. Time for the bathroom. Now, I didn't show you guys cleaning the toilet, but I do deep clean the toilet once a week with Mrs. Meyer's toilet bowl cleaner, which the scent I have is lemon verbena, and I actually don't like the scent at all. So next time I'm going to try and get a different scent because I just hate the lemon scent for some reason. So for the counter, I'll tidy up and I'll put things away, just make it a lot neater. And then I will take my Method bathroom cleaner in the scent Spearmint, and I'll clean around the sink and then inside the sink. And then I'll also light a candle. This one is a soy candle I got from Urban Outfitters, and it smells like coconut tropical ocean. It's the best thing ever. It just smells like summertime. And that's about it for my cleaning routine. Let me know if you guys want to see a more in-depth cleaning routine for specific rooms, such as my bedroom. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye!